So here we go. Um, Continue our vlogging here. Actually, James is the one continue the tire changing. Look at that, it's a nice tires. A little bit smaller compared to the tires, the old tires that we took it out, but it was nice. You can see that one. So you have to do all the 4 tires now. No, yeah, you have to put yeah,
all of them.
yeah, all of them first. There, he's using the 19-inch socket, a torque wrench. Here we go. There, that's enough. When it clicks, enough. No cross, remember? There you go. Then across, that's the way, the proper way how to do it. Stops when it clicks. The one on top, very good. Last one. Perfect. Now next tire. So yeah guys, you see this one, I put a brakes on as a choke. So think of your safety when you're doing the changing the tires. And make sure you have the brakes there or some kind of a choke. You can buy it in store, but we prefer to use brakes. There we go. My son is learning how to take off the tires, or change tires, and hopefully he can do it by himself soon, or the next time he had to do some tasks like this. There you go. Nice. All right, 2 more tires, then we'll do a test drive. Good. Cross. Make sure that socket is all the way in before you turn it. Perfect. So you guys see, or I don't know if you're hearing the click sound, because we're using the what we're using here is torque wrench, as we call it, and I actually set it to like, it's on 130 inch per pounds per inch. Are you done with this one? Okay, I guess all good. Okay, keep everything up and let's do a test drive real quick.